My name is Ramya Balakrishnan and I work in the capacity of Program Manager at NUSSD TISS. Tata Institute of Social Sciences has come up with an skill development program called the National University Student Skill Development. This is one of its own kind because there are many skill development programs being implemented in the country. And this is a program which is specifically for university students who are doing their graduation. Talking about the concept, how this program came into being is TISS wanted to start this program on skill development. And this was during the year 2011. But this was more on the songs of Rabindranath Tagore's, Ekla Chalo Re. We didn't have any support from the state government. We had no support from funding agencies. We didn't have any corporates coming in to support us. But we said we should make a beginning, and that is how we started off. With time, we had the state government coming and supporting us. We had other funding agencies also supporting us. And this became a small program of its own. We had a pilot program from 2013 to 2016, a successful pilot program. We trained around 5,000 students. Now we have around 120 colleges on board with a student population of 20,000. So you see the transformation. A small project, it becomes a program, and now our aim is to make this into a movement, a skill development movement. Talking about the new initiatives of NUSSD program, first one would be Engineering and Management College Drive. Why skill development for engineering and management students? Yes, there's a need. Initially, we started this program only for graduating students who are doing their BA, BSc, BCom. But as per reports of NSDC, that is National Skill Development Corporation, they say only 30% of professional elites, that is engineers or management students, are considered employable. When we say considered employable, that means getting meaningful jobs. And if you take the overall percentage of graduates and postgraduates passing out every year from Indian universities, only 10% are considered employable. So this is a huge problem. And this is where skill development is a must. Another initiative of NUSSD program is going to be adopting a village. When I say adopting a village, we are looking at more of a triangle approach, wherein at the base, NUSSD program and the participating colleges, and at the apex is the village. So every location we have this NUSSD program being implemented in some colleges, and we're going to shortlist one village and work towards the betterment of the village. We're going to educate people over there, create awareness. Students and faculties from NUSSD are going to go there, work over there, be a part of this movement. We're also going to have massive financial literacy, legal literacy, digital literacy campaigns going to be held to educate and empower people on government schemes and government policies, the new initiatives of the government like Make India, entrepreneurship, something on Swachh Bharat. So these are few of the initiatives that are in pipeline, and we're working towards it. To know more about NUSSD program, you can log on to our website and also to our social media and be a part of NUSSD program. You all can support us in any which ways. Thank you so much.